Beautiful deer at Long Hunter State Park. This is the Motorola Edge after being crushed by the Jeep Cherokee XJ. And it is working very, very well. I don't think that any Apple products would have been able to stand up to the Jeep. But the Motorola Edge survived. It's a great phone, very happy. And I'm looking forward to getting the screen replaced on Monday. As I was climbing into the Jeep, my phone fell out of my jacket pocket and fell down onto the ground and slipped under the front left tire of the Jeep. In the phone's defense, the Cherokee had an unfair advantage because the phone was lying face down on the pavement when the Jeep rode over it. I feel that if the phone had been face up, it would have come out unscathed, because that's a really tough screen on that phone. I'm going to unlock the phone with my fingerprint. See there, it took about 4 times. Usually I'm in the first time, and I've noticed that after being crushed with that tape over it, it's a little bit less sensitive and may take a few tries to get in with the fingerprint. GPS is working great. Many satellites in view, got a location on the phone, and very impressed. There's quite a bit of screen damage. The phone was face down on the pavement, so there's more damage than if it had been faced up just with the tire. But it's doing very well. Taped in some gravel that I decided not to remove because I thought it would cause more bleeding. The gyroscope seems to be doing great. The clinometer is working well. The Bluetooth radio is working great, and I have a data link to my Garmin GPS from the phone, so all is good with Bluetooth. This is the front camera, and behind me you see a beautiful morning here at Long Hunter State Park. Front camera's doing great. Just had to pull the tape off where I covered it, and then it performed perfectly well. And there you have it. Motorola Edge, slightly worse for wear, but still doing great. I'm very impressed with this phone. And I'm looking forward to the new screen tomorrow, but it's still functioning perfectly well. Well, that's the update on the Motorola Edge. I've made calls, sent text messages, received text messages, done everything I normally do. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to see, especially if there's a crack in front of the section I'm trying to read. But all in all, very impressed with this phone, and like Motorola products. And thank you for tuning in. Have a great day, and come back for some more adventures in the future.